navigating through a fog, you may easily overlook vital details. That is also valid in R&D, when analyzing analog sensor signals. If you are limited to 8 bits only, signals may get lost in the noise, and design flaws may affect your product. If only you could measure, with a sufficient high signal-to-noise ratio.
Fortunately, this is possible. Not only you'll look at clean, crisp waveforms, but you'll also be able to analyze, with exceptional 12 bits precision, up to 8 GHz. The Teledyne LaCroix high-definition oscilloscopes will allow you to debug with confidence and shorten your time to market. Contact the experts at ARB Benelux.